If you still can't do easy trick jumps, here's how to do some of the basic tricks. This video especially is for my friend, so I hope he watches this. The first trick we're gonna be doing is a normal forward jump, which will be jump, you press ZR or ZL, and then you press Y. So jump ZR Y, jump CR Y, jump CR Y. And if you make it smooth, it doesn't look like you ground pound. It looks more like you make a front flip instead of just ground pounding. So that's the first trick you need for a basic cappy jump. Next off, I'm gonna show you how to throw and jump on cappy. So you probably know you throw cappy with Y. You can do a lot of tricks with that. And to cappy jump, you want to jump, throw cappy. You jump, throw cappy, and then you do the same trick again. Jump, ZR or ZL, and Y. So you're gonna throw, and then you press the buttons. Just like that. Next is a pretty important part for trick jumping, which will be triple jumps and vaults. So for a triple jump, you just want to jump 3 times in a row. 1, 2, 3. And if you want to have that on a small space, you want to have the first jump on the same spot you are in. So 1, and then you push a little to make like a small triple jump. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. And by using that correctly, you can jump off buildings, but it's mostly used to get height while you're jumping. Next, we have vaults. For a basic vault, you literally just have to throw cappy with Y. I do it with Y. Then you also have to learn how to ground pound, which would be jump ZR or ZL. I use ZL, it's easier for this trick. So you jump ZL, and you put that together, it's Y, ground pound, and then X. And then you start flying. So with that, you can also do a lot of jumps like the Metro Impossible, or others like the Snowdram, and many more. And now before I show you the principle, or whatever you want to call it, of cappy jumping, or of trick jumping, I want to show you how to do the rainbow spin. Now for a rainbow spin, you have to touch cappy and then you can do like a spin. You do the spin by basically jumping after you touch cappy. Now I did it too late, but if you do it basically instantly, you can do what's called a rainbow spin. Now there is another technique how to do a rainbow spin, which is by throwing cappy and then pulling him back down to then get a rainbow spin. Now for the rainbow spin controls, that will be just like that. It's best to learn it while doing a trick jump, because mostly you have time. Like that. So using those techniques, you have to know how trick jumping works. For a trick jump, you have to know that you only have one cappy bounce, which means after you bounce once, you can't bounce again. You basically miss cappy. And you only refresh your cappy bounces if you stand on something. So you just have to know you have to stand on the floor or just stand to refresh your cappy jumps. As you can see, I can't cappy jump anymore because I didn't stand on ground again. I missed Cappy. The next thing is, by vaulting, you don't use your bounce as a Cappy jump. It's important to know that so you can think how far you get. I hope these things helped you get better at the game and just make your movement look better. In conclusion, I hope you liked this video. Be sure to subscribe if it helped, and subscribe anyway if it didn't help, please. No, I'm just kidding. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!